This tutorial will give you an overview over the group nodes in Autodesk VRED Professional and will outline transform groups by means of an example. In this sample, we use a cube that you can create over the main menu. Please select Scene in the main menu bar and create a box via Create Geometry. The values you can set for the size and resolution of the to-be-created geometry are prompted. As size along all axes, we choose a value of 10 and leave the resolution at its default value. To achieve an overview of the geometry, please open the Scenegraph by accessing the Quick Access menu. Autodesk VRED creates a cube which is now available as polygonal geometry, which is designated by the symbol consisting of a blue area shaped by 3 connecting dots. To zoom in closer and center our cube in the viewport at the same time, we use the Frame All command. For this, we activate, with our geometry selected, the render view by clicking it with the left mouse button. Please continue by using the shortcut F for Frame All. As next step, we create a group and subordinate the recently created cube to it. Autodesk VRED offers us the possibility to make this happen with the Create menu in the Scenegraph. For this purpose, please open the Scenegraph menu with the use of the right mouse button and select Group under the Create tab. The name of our group is automatically highlighted in gray and can be changed. We change the name to box_GRP and append it to our cube geometry. Now we select the cube and drag it via drag and drop onto our group object. All new modifications therefore now take effect on all subordinate objects of a group and not just exclusively to the selected group. To demonstrate this more clearly, we now move the group in any direction and additionally scale it freely. With the selected group in the Scenegraph, we activate the render view by selecting our window with the left mouse button and then calling upon the transformation commands that can be activated with the shortcut Shift-W or Shift-R. With Shift-W, we can move our object, and with Shift-R, we can scale it along the available axis. Please move the cube along the Y-axis with the Shift key held down and scale it in all axes by a value of your choosing. The icon symbol of the group changes to one illustrating the axis of a coordinate system, which indicates a modification of the group's transformation node. It will only become visible after we update our Scenegraph with the left mouse button, upon which the symbol will automatically be refreshed. The next step will be moving our cube geometry, or more, dragging it via drag and drop, to the outside of the group. As you can see, the geometry is no longer subordinate to the group and switches to its original size and position, your original transformation coordinates. Put differently, the transform information of the group is no longer taking its effect on our cube, but is still stored. If we assign our cube back to the group, the established transformations will again be applied to our geometry.